everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been asked a question by a lady called Carolynn de Jong, and her question is, I'm curious, after using this hand for a number of months now, how has it held up? Does it get filing damage around the sides of the fingers? Any issues with the metal on the inside that makes it positionable, breaking down or becoming weakened? Now obviously I replied to her question, but I also said that I would make a video to show her exactly what state the hands are in after using them. And you will see, I hope you will see, I don't have any damage. There is no damage. I'll show you the other one. I've got some colour peeling off here, but it actually arrived like that, so that's actually not wear and tear, and that is literally just the spray colour. But as for filing indentations, you can see there aren't any. And the reason there aren't any is because I treat these like people, real people, and that's the key to keeping these in good condition. You've got to treat them like real people, otherwise you will ruin them. It's as simple as that. If you don't treat it like a real client, yes, your file will dig in and cut them and ruin them. Treat them like a real person. This is what they're supposed to be for, is for you to treat them like a real human. You file gently, you be careful that you don't catch your client's skin, you don't cut their cuticles, all of that. You do it with these, and as long as you do that, they remain perfect. As for the skeleton inside, not a problem. Again, I treat it like I would a human. I'm not going to wrench fingers back and forth really harshly. If I need to bend them, I bend them gently. There's no problem with either one of them, and I bend them at the joint if need be. If I need to bend it, it's the joints, like you would with a normal finger. So yeah, Carolyn, as you can see, there's no problem with the hands at all. I hope this answers your question fully and entirely now. And if anyone is interested in getting a hand, these are brilliant. I can't rate these enough. This hand is actually named after me, this colour. This is a Karen hand, by the way. How cool is that? Yeah, if you want one, I'll leave the details in the description box of where to buy them, and my code is KFGIFT, lowercase. I'll put that on the screen just in case as well, because I am sort of an ambassador, sort of, because I've not really been on social media for a while and I'm just sort of making my comeback now. But yeah, but these hands, can't rate them enough. They come in various different shades. Go get yourself one, worth the money. They're not £300 like certain other brands. They're posable. You can get them in, like I said, various different shades, and you can get mini hands, although I think the minis are being phased out, but you also can get just individual fingers as well. So yes, there you have it. So that's all in for this video, and I'm going to be having a play with Miss Karen today, although I have renamed her Naomi, and that's Cindy. I'll see you later, peeps. Take care. Bye for now.